So in this video, we will learn how to boost customer engagement by sending order confirmation WhatsApp message. Now guys, in this video, we are going to discuss an automation by which whenever you will receive a new order, automatically how you can send a WhatsApp message as a confirmation to the customer who placed the order. So we are taking an example of WooCommerce, that whenever we will receive a new order in WooCommerce, automatically send the order confirmation message on WhatsApp to the customer. Now how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get the free sign up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. So after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give your workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as WooCommerce to WhatsApp and then just click on Create. Now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is, first, we have to get the details or the data of new order which we are receiving on our e-commerce platform. For example, in this video, we are using WooCommerce. We have to get that new order details inside Pabbly Connect. And after that, we will set up this automation workflow to send the order confirmation message to the customer who placed the order. So just for the reference, in this video, we are using WooCommerce as a trigger application as the application from where we are getting this data. But if you are using Shopify or some other kind of e-commerce platform to sell your products or your services, and you want to send the messages to your customer while receiving order at that platform, you can select that application or platform over here in trigger window. So here in Choose App, right now we will be searching WooCommerce. Select WooCommerce and then in Trigger Event from the drop down, we are going to select New Order Created. So after selecting a trigger event of WooCommerce, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. And we are going to use this webhook URL to make the connection between our WooCommerce store and Pabbly Connect and get the new order details. So different applications may have different kind of connection methods. So you can refer to the help desk given below over here and connect your account on which you are getting new orders. So just copy this webhook URL for WooCommerce and follow this help text over here. Now to add this webhook URL, here we are on the WordPress dashboard of my WordPress site. So in this WordPress site, I have added my WooCommerce store plugin. So here is WooCommerce, just hover on it and go to WooCommerce settings. Then after going to settings, just go to advanced section and then you can see webhooks over here. Just click on it. Now because we have to add a new webhook URL, click on this add webhook option and enter your new webhook details. Give your webhook URL a name. For example, I'll name it as Pabbly. Select the status, I'll change the status to active and the topic. So the topic will be the event that for which event we want WooCommerce to send the data to Pabbly Connect. So we want to send the new order data. That's why we are going to select this topic, this event as order created. So whenever a new order is created in our WooCommerce store, that data will be sent to Pabbly Connect. Then here we have to enter the delivery URL. So here in delivery URL, we have to paste the same webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. After pasting it, just click on Save Webhook. And that is it. We have successfully connected our WooCommerce store with Pabbly Connect. Now, whenever we will get a new order in our WooCommerce store, the details of that new order will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So just click on this recapture webhook response inside Pabbly Connect and it will change to waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is now waiting to get some new order details from WooCommerce. And we are going to do the same. We are going to visit our WooCommerce store and here we are going to place a test order. For example, let's order this iron press. Just click on add to cart. Then guys, we will scroll down and click on proceed to checkout. So here guys, at this page, you can see we have to enter some basic details of the customer who is placing this order. So let's enter the details of a dummy customer. I have entered a dummy name, a dummy address over here, and a dummy email address with phone number. So whatever phone number the customer is going to enter while placing the order, on the same WhatsApp number, we are going to send the WhatsApp confirmation message. After all of this, just click on place order. And the order is successfully placed. We have just now received a new order on our WooCommerce store. And when we place this order, instantly we will see the new order details will be captured inside Pabbly Connect as well. So earlier in Pabbly Connect, it was showing us waiting for webhook response. But now we have received some response. And when we will scroll to this response, we will see the same order details which we have placed just now. So here we will be seeing the same total amount, the amount of this order was 400 rupees. As you can see, the same amount over here. The status of this order, what is the status, what is the shipping details, what was the product and quantity. Then here we can see the address of the customer who placed the order. We have the name of the customer, dummy customer who placed the order. Then we have the address and other details as well. Also, when we will scroll down, we will find some other details regarding the same order as well, like the total cost, subtotals, taxes, the product name, and then the customer details like the email address and mobile number of the customer. So this is the mobile number and email address. So the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. We have received new order details inside Pabbly Connect workflow. Now let's send this data to WhatsApp and start sending WhatsApp confirmation message whenever we get a new order. For that, we will scroll down and come to our action window. And here in Choose App, we are going to search for WhatsApp Cloud API. WhatsApp Cloud API is the official WhatsApp API service of Meta. After selecting WhatsApp Cloud API, an action event from the drop-down, select Send Template Message. Click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here guys, you have to connect your WhatsApp Cloud API account yet. So I have already created my Cloud API account. But if you haven't created your WhatsApp Cloud API account yet, there is a complete video, a dedicated video on how you can set up your Cloud API account. And the link of that video will be in the description box below. So you can refer to that video and set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. After setting up this account, you will reach to this app dashboard page of your Cloud API account. And at this page, you will find everything which is required to make the connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. So here it is asking us for the token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID from our Cloud API account. It is required to make the connection between Pabbly Connect and WhatsApp Cloud API. So at this page, you can see the temporary access token, the phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So just copy this phone number ID from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here in this connection window. Then copy the WhatsApp business account ID and paste this as well over here. Then it is asking us for the token. And the help text below it says, enter system user generated permanent token as explained here. So here is a hyperlink and just click on it. It will take you to a page on our forum. And at this page, you will find all the details regarding WhatsApp Cloud API. So the token which we get on this app dashboard page is a temporary access token. This means this token will expire every 23 hours or 24 hours. But don't worry guys, there is a way by which you can generate a permanent access token which is never going to expire. So by clicking on this hyperlink, you have reached to this page, and at this page you will find the details like how you can set up your account and how to generate that permanent access token as well. So you can refer to this page on forum or this particular video on our channel and generate your permanent access token as well. And after generating that permanent access token, just enter that token over here and click on save to make the connection. Right now, I'm going to use my existing connection and I'll click on save. So as you can see, here we have connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the template name. And in the drop down below, we can see a long list of all the templates which we have created in our Cloud API account. So here you will be thinking, what are these templates and why we are seeing this list? So to send the WhatsApp messages using WhatsApp Cloud API, first you have to create a template message inside Cloud API. And after creating that message, you have to get that message approved from Facebook, or should I say Meta. And after the approval, you can use that template message to send WhatsApp messages or confirmation messages to your customer on successful order. Now to create a template message, just go to this app dashboard page of WhatsApp Cloud API, scroll down and come to this step 2. And here in step 2, you can see a hyperlink. Just click on it and it will take you to the message template page of WhatsApp Cloud API. At this page, by clicking on this create template button, you can start creating your message template, WhatsApp message template, which you want to send according to your choice. We have a separate dedicated video on that too, and the link of that video will be in the description box below. You can refer to that video and learn what are the features that WhatsApp Cloud API template message offers and how you can create them. So in this video right now, here you can see a list of all the template messages which I have already created in my Cloud API account can be seen over here. Out of all of these templates, the template on which we are going to use or we are going to work right now is named as order confirm. So let me search for this template, order confirm. So this is the template message. And yes guys, here in preview section you can see that this is the kind of WhatsApp message I want to send to all the customers whenever I receive a new order. This message says order confirmed, hello Devin. And after hello guys, I wanted to add the name of the customer who is placing the order. But the name of the customer will be keep on changing for every new order. So the name of the customer is going to be a dynamic text which will be keep on changing. And to add these kind of dynamic text in our template message, here in body section while creating this template, you can see I have added a number inside double curly braces. So after hello, I have added 1 inside double curly braces. This is basically a body field, a variable. Now to add these kind of dynamic text, you can add these kind of variables or body fields in your template message. So the text in place of these variables can be changed for every sending message, and rest of the message stays the static as well. So after that, this message says, thank you for shopping with us, your order for, and after that, here you can see another variable, another body field. So here I wanted to mention the name of the product or products which the customer has ordered. So here in place of this body field, I wanted to add the name of the product which customer has ordered. So that's why we have created another body field, because the customer is going to order different products. Every new customer can be ordering some different products. After that, this message says, sit back and relax while we have this delivered to you. Happy shopping. And here we have another body field for the name of our team, that who is sending this message. You can keep this field static as well. So I'm just sending this simple message in this video, but if you want, you can create any kind of template message of your choice which you want to send to your customer as an order confirmation. So order underscore confirm. This is the template which we are going to select inside Pabbly Connect. So let's search for this template, order underscore confirm. After selecting our template, the language code and template ID are automatically detected, so you don't have to make any changes over here. Then we have to directly come to the recipient mobile number field. Now in this field guys, we have to mention the mobile number on which we want to send the WhatsApp message. So we want to send the WhatsApp message to the customer who placed the order. And we have received the mobile number of the customer from WooCommerce or from the services or platform from which we are getting these new order details. So what we have to do, the mobile number which we have received in response of the customer, we have to basically map this same mobile number over here in this field of recipient mobile number. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and in the drop down below, you can see all the responses of new order which we have received from WooCommerce can be seen over here. So out of all of these responses, we have to select the response of the mobile number and it will be mapped over here. Let's scroll and select the response of mobile number. Let's search for it. Mobile number. Just give me a second. Okay, here it is, billing phone. So we just have to select this response and it will be mapped over here. This is the response of mobile number and we have successfully mapped it. The help text below this says, enter the recipient mobile number with country code without the plus sign. Example this. So we have to ensure that the recipient or the customer whose mobile number we are entering over here, we have mapped over here, that number should be with the country code of the customer and without the plus sign. So usually we write the country code with the plus sign. For example, the country code is India is 91 plus 91. So we write plus 91 and then the 10 digits mobile number. But here WhatsApp Cloud API does not want the plus sign. So you have to make sure that you can add the number in this particular same format. After recipient mobile number, here comes the body field 1, body field 2 and body field 3. The same 3 body fields which we have created in our template message, we can see those 3 same body fields over here. Now, one by one in these fields, we have to mention that what we are supposed to do, what is the text we are supposed to enter in place of these body fields with this WhatsApp message. So in place of body field 1, we wanted to mention the name of the customer who placed the order. So we will be using the same process of mapping to add the name. So we'll just click here and from the drop down below from the responses, select the response of the name of the customer. So let's search for the name. Okay, so this is the response of the name of the customer. Let's map the response of first name. So whatever first name the customer will be entering while placing the order, the same data will be received inside Pabbly Connect and the same name we will be mapping over here. Then it comes the body field 2. In place of body field 2, we wanted to map the name of the product which customer has entered. So we'll be just mapping the same thing. Let's search for the name of the product. Let me search here. So this is the name of the product. Let's select it and it is mapped over here. And in place of body field 3, we wanted to enter our business name. So you can manually enter this data, for example, Pabbly, or you can just ignore creating this field. You can keep this field static as well in your template message, according to your choice. Now guys, after entering these details, after entering all the body fields details over here, mapping the data, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here we can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the WhatsApp message with our selected template is sent on this number which we have mapped. So let's check the WhatsApp account of this number first. We'll just go to the WhatsApp web account of this. And yes guys, here you can see that in the same number which we have entered while placing the order, on the same number we have received a WhatsApp message. This message says order confirmed, hello dummy, means we have the name of the customer who placed the order. Thank you for shopping with us. Your order for iron press is confirmed. We have the same order, the same product name which the customer has ordered. Sit back and relax while we have this delivered to you. Happy shopping, Pabbly team. And we have the rest of the static message which we have created, the rest of the template message which we have created inside WhatsApp Cloud API. So in this way guys, we can see that how using automation you can keep on sending order confirmation message to your customers and keep on building your personal engagement and personal touch with your customers as well. So guys, after setting up this automation, we just want to test this automation once as well. Once again, we are going to visit our WooCommerce store and here we are going to place another order. For example, let's order this microphone. Let's place an order of this microphone. Let's click on proceed to checkout. Let me change the name of the customer. For example, I'll just change the name as Test Dummy. So this is the name of the customer. Let's keep the address same, mobile number the same as well, and change the email address as well. After entering all of these details of the basic customer, let's click on place order. And yes, the order is successfully placed and the order amount is 15,000 and the product is microphone. So after placing this order guys, instantly we will see that within seconds, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to the same customer's number which you have entered while placing the order. So let's go to the WhatsApp account and here within seconds we will see a WhatsApp message will be received. And yes guys, here we can see that just now we have received a new message which says hello test, means the name of the same customer whose details you have entered while placing this order. Whose name we have entered while placing this order. Thank you for shopping with us. Your order for microphone is confirmed. So we have the same product name as well. Sit back and relax while we have this delivered to you. Happy shopping, Pabbly team. So we have the same template message which we have created inside WhatsApp Cloud API. We have sent the same message to the customer who placed the order, that too instantly. So in this way guys, you can completely automate this process and send a WhatsApp confirmation message for every new order you receive. So not just these applications guys, you can basically integrate plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect as well. And let me tell you one more important thing, that you will find a clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow. And also Pabbly Connect comes with a forever free plan. And in this plan, you will get free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestion, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.